Today, 24th April, is Panchayati Raj Day. On this auspicious day, I would like to heartily congratulate more than 31 lakh elected live representatives of Panchayati Raj institutions. We all know that there is a democratic system in our country. Under the democratic system, to ensure that the light of Swaraj reaches every village, that's why more than 2.5 lakhs Gram Panchayats were formed, mid-level Panchayats were formed, district Panchayats were formed, and through these, there is a constant effort by the government that the central and the state government funds reach them along with the central guidance, the plans, and their development is ensured through the elected representatives. Mahatma Gandhi's first priority was that Gram Swaraj should be established. I am happy that when Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji took over the work of the nation, he closely started paying constant attention in this direction very carefully. All of you would remember that when the report of the 13th Finance Commission came out, then 2.5 lakh panchayats got only rupees 65,000 crores to spend in 5 years. When the 14th Finance Commission came after Modi ji's arrival, he accepted the entire report as it was, and as a result of it, in the last 5 years, the panchayats got rupees 2,292 crores. Apart from this, money from the State Finance Commission and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, the responsibility of Manrega and other schemes sponsored by the states is definitely on your shoulders. Keeping in mind all of you, in 5 years, we have been constantly trying to ensure that panchayats work with transparency. The assets that have been created are geotagged so that nobody get a chance to say anything. I am happy that one time GPDP couldn't even be imagined in villages, but in the past days, after the central government made the program, I am happy to say that today 2,40,000 Gram Panchayats have developed GPDP. Today our country is going through the crisis of coronavirus. In this period, the whole country is eager to defeat the pandemic of coronavirus. And in our entire country, be it the district administration, police administration, be it the staff of health department, be it the staff of state sector undertakings, be it the sanitation workers, along with everyone, the sarpanch of our Gram Panchayats, the secretary of our villages, our employment executives, our Asha workers, our Anganwadi workers, everybody has ensured that the instructions of lockdown are followed in their villages and that the corona advisory issued by health department is followed in their villages. In villages wherever there were poor people who did not have food grains, they should also have food available and none of them remain hungry. This work has also been ensured by constant and tireless efforts by all of you. I want to congratulate each one of you on this occasion. On this day, you all know that Government of India used to announce several awards for panchayats to encourage them on the occasion of Panchayati Raj Day. In the past days too, on several occasions, all of you used to come for the awards. The Honorable Prime Minister used to give his time in this program. We used to get his encouragement and there was also an opportunity to receive the award. But during this time of coronavirus, neither a big event can be organized, nor can you people walk from your places to gather in big numbers at one place. And that's why this time we are communicating to you through a different medium, and I am happy that in this dialogue, the Honorable Prime Minister is also present among all of us. And today, the Honorable Prime Minister has done two important works for our region. For one, the Prime Minister has agreed with us on the amount that we will get from the 15th Finance Commission. Secondly, connecting all the varied apps of Gram Panchayat Department, the e-Gram Swaraj portal has been established. This will definitely give more convenience to all of you. The public will also benefit. And on this day, the Prime Minister has launched a scheme called Swayam. Under this scheme, the way the village lands are surveyed is made more standardized. After the land survey, we have a survey order of the land which is written in Khasra Khatoni. The name of the landowner is also written, and because of this record, we own our cultivated land. But no matter how big a house is built in the villages on the land of the people, but to prove that this house is theirs, they have built it, they are the owners of this house, people usually did not have any documents. Through the Swayam scheme, the Prime Minister has started the initiative to give this ownership right to us from the states. This initiative is certainly welcome. This survey will be done through drones all over the country, and in the coming future, where people have their property in villages, they will have ownership rights to that property as well, and then they can use that property to expand their work, sometimes in the bank in order to give guarantee, or if there is a need to give bail at some other place, in that case, they will be able to use this property. On this occasion, I would like to request all of you Panchayat representatives that through the Manrega, we have approved a plan of rupees 33,000 crores and we have informed all the states about it. In the near future, the months of May and June are upon us. It is the summer season, and in this season, under Manrega, we must focus on developing good, large and permanent water bodies. If these water bodies are made, then definitely these will be useful for our rural population for a long time. We will be able to conserve water, increase the level of the water, increase the water level of the land, and Manrega is ready to help you in this. Alternative employment will also be available to poor people of villages through Manrega. I want to make one more request to all of you that firstly, the harvesting process is going on in the villages. Soon, the work of Manrega will also begin. Under both these cases, the advisory issued by the Health Department to fight Corona, whether it is a matter of applying a mask or use of a sanitizer or washing hands with soap, must be followed by all of us. We have to constantly worry about the coronavirus not having community spread. Arogya Setu app has been created by the central government. You can download this app as well. This app will also tell you whether you are infected or not, and if any person infected with coronavirus will be detected around you, then this app will alert you that this person has been detected around you and this has also affected you. So by immediately going to the hospital, we will be able to ensure our treatment and save our lives. I once again congratulate all of you on this occasion and wish you the very best. We will meet again next year on 24th April, but 1 year is ahead of us. In this 1 year, let us achieve the goals of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, achieve the goals of Manrega and contribute towards the goals of Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. And our support groups are doing very good job in the country right now. I am happy that our sisters of self-help groups have made and distributed more than 3 crore masks and have made more than 1 lakh liters of sanitizer. Taking all of them together, the elected representatives of our Panchayati Raj institutions should lead the panchayats and change the picture of the villages and also contribute in changing the fate of these villages. Best wishes to all of you. Jai Hind.